Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 KYMCO AK550. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2023 KYMCO AK550, with 4,899 miles, passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, heated grips, and a keyless ignition. Powered by a 550cc parallel twin engine, the AK puts 53 horsepower and 40 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. With a 3.9-gallon fuel capacity, the AK has a 150 to 200-mile range. It has a 31.1-inch seat height and a 463-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we only point out larger areas of damage. We highly recommend looking closely at all the pictures in the listing or seeing the bike in person. There are scratches on the exhaust and the muffler heat shield, finish peeling on the rear pulley, scratches on the lower fairing, scratches on the side cover, and a scratch on the tail section. This vehicle has one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.